If you're seeing the CapCut requires access to the album for editing and saving videos error, don't worry, this is usually a simple save location issue, and in this video I'll show you exactly how to fix it step by step. This is one of those errors that can stop your export process completely, especially if CapCut does not have the proper permission or if you're trying to save to a protected folder. The good news is that in most cases, you can solve it in just a minute by changing your export location to a folder with full access. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick app fixes and tutorials. Now let's jump right in. First, open your project in CapCut and go to the Export menu. This is where CapCut lets you choose the file name and the folder where your video will be saved. If you're currently trying to save into a restricted location, that may be exactly why you're getting this error. For example, avoid saving directly into system-protected folders like the root of your C drive, such as C:// or into folders like program files. These locations are often restricted by Windows, and CapCut may not be able to write files there properly. Instead, look for a folder that you know has full access. The safest choices are your desktop or your documents folder. These are normal user folders and usually allow CapCut to save without any permission conflict. So in the Export menu, click the Save Path option and change it to one of those accessible locations. If needed, you can also create a new folder on your desktop specifically for CapCut exports, which makes it easier to find your finished videos later. Once you have selected the new save location, double-check that the path is pointing to a standard folder and not to a protected system directory. This is an important step because even if everything else is correct, one wrong folder choice can trigger the album access error again. After that, try exporting the video one more time and see if CapCut proceeds normally. If the export works after changing the save path, then the issue was simply the folder permissions. That means CapCut was not able to save into the original location, but it can now export properly to a folder that allows full access. In many cases, this completely resolves the problem without needing any advanced troubleshooting. If you still want to be extra safe, keep your workflow simple by always exporting to your desktop or documents folder first, then moving the file later if needed. That way, you avoid permission problems and make the export process much smoother. This is especially useful if you edit often or if you work on a shared or managed computer where some folders have stricter access rules. So to recap, the fix is to go to the Export menu, choose a folder with full access for the save path, and avoid system-protected or root folders like C:/ or program files. Use desktop or documents instead, and then export again. In most cases, that will stop the CapCut requires access to the album error and let you save your video successfully. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more CapCut fixes, editing tips, and easy troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.